Embrace yourselves, brothers and sisters, for a great awakening is upon us. As we prepare for the coming of Yah, our Messiah and Elohim. When we proclaim as one, Baruch haba b'Shem Yahuwah, souls will be lifted. Souls will be lifted. These are the words which you shall speak to the children of Israel. O praise the Elohim, all you Gentiles. Laud him, all you peoples. The Gentiles shall come to your light, and kings to the brightness of your rising. Though they are all different, they are the same. They all spell the same thing that takes us down the same path, to the top of the same mountain, which together we shall share the sight of the same moon. And when every Jew and Gentile proclaims as one, Baruch haba b'Shem Yahuwah, blessed is he who comes in the name of Yah, souls will be lifted. Together we will be grafted in one union under the grace of Yah.